Here are some of the jewelry pieces Kate Middleton has worn. Noora Pearl Necklace. A pearl necklace from sustainable brand Monica Vinader. 14K gold plated twist hoop earrings. A pair of chunky gold twist hoops from ASOS. Bold pearl hoop earrings. A pair of pearl hoops from Mejuri. The Duchess Necklace. A beautifully unique personalized necklace from Mercy Marmon. Double strand beaded necklace. A double strand chain from Spells of Love. Gold triangle hoops. A gorgeous set of handmade twist hoops from Spells of Love. Cartier Trinity necklace. A necklace with 18-carat chain featuring paved diamonds as well as 3 intertwined circles of pink, yellow and white gold. 167 button pendant. A necklace with a central amethyst stone surrounded by paved diamonds, all set in 18 CT white gold. 4-strand pearl choker. A pearl choker with a central diamond clasp, commissioned using a collection of cultured pearls given to Queen Elizabeth by the Japanese government. Cassandra gold earrings. A pair of earrings from the Journey to China collection inspired by the detail of circles and squares that decorate the roof edge of the Temple of Heaven built in about 1530 during the Ming Dynasty. Diamond and pearl drop earrings. A pair of earrings with pearls that dangle from a string of diamonds, reported to be a gift from the ruler of Bahrain for the Queen's wedding in 1947. Pearl teardrop earrings. A pair of earrings with pearls reported to be a gift from Collingwood Jewellers for Princess Diana's wedding to Prince Charles in 1981. Green tourmaline and amethyst earrings. A pair of earrings rumored to be a gift from Prince William to celebrate the birth of their second child, Princess Charlotte, in 2015. Here are some of the jewelry pieces worn by Kate Middleton, along with their estimated values. Engagement ring. A sapphire and diamond sparkler that first made headlines when King Charles III proposed to Princess Diana with it in 1981. Made by the former crown jeweler Garrard, the estimated value is around $550,000. Robinson Pelham diamond drop earrings. A gift from her parents, Carol and Michael Middleton, to mark her wedding to Prince William in 2011. The estimated value is around $15,000. Daniela Draper necklace. A gold chain and a gold disc engraved with the initials of her 3 children, worth around $1,070. Nizam of Hyderabad necklace. A diamond necklace that was a wedding gift to Queen Elizabeth II when she tied the knot with Prince Philip in 1947. The estimated value is over $65 million. Cartier Ballon Blue watch. An anniversary gift from Prince William in 2014, which retails for around $4,800 without customizations. Queen Mary's tiara and brooch set, loaned by Queen Elizabeth to Kate Middleton. The estimated value is at least $1 million. Thanks for watching. Please share, comment and like.